Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify using the updated 2026 Studio workflow so you can bridge the technical gap between your store data and a professional high-end automated marketing engine. Let's get into it. First, install the Klaviyo app and authorize. The first step is establishing the primary technical link. In 2026, the mechanical necessity for data accuracy involves using the native Shopify App Store integration to ensure server-level event tracking. From your Shopify admin, go to the App Store and search for Klaviyo. Click Install. Review the permissions and click Install App to authorize Klaviyo to candidly access your customer, order, and product data. By authorizing the app directly, you allow Klaviyo to technically pull 2026 historical data, including past orders and customer profiles, into its Studio environment for future market analysis. Next, create or log in to your Klaviyo account. Once the app is authorized, the system will redirect you to the Klaviyo login portal to establish your Studio identity. You will be prompted with a choice: create a new account or log in to an existing account. If you already have a 2026 professional account, enter your technical credentials. If not, follow the candid prompts to sign up, providing your business name and 2026 bookkeeping email. This step is a mechanical necessity to ensure that the data flowing from Shopify has a secure Studio home. Establishing this login early allows the AI to begin building your professional market analysis profile immediately. Next, follow the onboarding prompts. After logging in, you must complete the technical handshake by following the guided setup prompts within the Klaviyo dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your Shopify store URL, like yourstore.myshopify.com, and confirm your industry. Click Connect to Shopify when prompted. This will candidly sync your 2026 email and SMS subscriber lists. These prompts act as a technical guide to ensure your 2026 sales data and customer events are mapped correctly. Following the setup wizard is the most professional way to ensure your high-end Studio flows don't suffer from amateur quality data gaps. And that's pretty much it. To integrate Klaviyo with Shopify in 2026, install the app and then either create or log in to your Klaviyo account. Follow the onboarding prompts to connect your store URL and sync your data. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.